Here in this project, I have created some levels. When I go to the south view, I see all of my levels. They are based on their names. And when you look at the elevation, you see -8, -4, 0, 4, 8, 12. I want to see the right organization of them in my floor plans. But when I take a look at them, I understand that they are not based on their elevation. For example, after basement, we have parking, but parking is not the second one here. One easy solution for this is browser organization. We go here on views and right click and choose browser organization. Here I choose discipline. Let's edit it. In grouping and sorting, I go for sort by associated level. Okay. Now if I go to architectural floor plans, I can see that first is basement, second one is parking, ground floor, first, second, and third. Based on their elevation, they are in order here. That is the way we solve these kind of problems.